Dr. Narendra Rangappa, please kickstart this debate by explaining to every single person watching at this moment, why is it that this Lingayat Seer hasn't been acted against? He hasn't been questioned, he hasn't been arrested, despite the gravity of the charges that face him.
This crime was registered in Mysuru on 26/8 at 10:30 p.m. against the Seer and 3 other co-accused. So the FIR was lodged immediately. There was no delay of any sort in lodging the FIR. But the incident had occurred in Chitradurga, and the information had to be passed on to Chitradurga because the FIR needs to be sent to the police station where the allegedly incident has occurred. After that, there was a string of holidays because of festivity and all other things. There was a partial delay because of that. Later on, the victims had to dispose before the magistrate, and the statements have to be recorded under the section 161 and 164. After that, the magistrate had to look into the statement and analyze the statement, and he had to decide whether it warrants an arrest or not. So the ball is in the court of the judiciary, which is not under the control of the Bharatiya Janata Party government in Karnataka. Neither have we interfered in any way. We will definitely protect the children and give them all the necessary facilities to see that they are not under pressure. At the same time, a person here who is accused is a person, whether he is a seer or anybody else, or it doesn't matter before the law, and he is a accused and he'll stay an accused. We are not
But that's not entirely the case. If you see the kind of reactions we've seen from many of the BJP politicians, including the likes of a B.S. Yedurappa, who called this a fake case. We've seen, for example, K.S. Ishwarappa calling this a false case. Many of the senior leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party are out to dismiss the credentials of the victims, those who filed the case, by labeling this case fake. Now, you're claiming that you're not interfering, but you're also rushing politically to give this Seer a clean chit. How then can anyone be certain that you will let the police do its job, given that you control the state's governance and administrative and law and order machinery?
Definitely not, sir. We are not going to protect him in any way, because the Chief Minister has made a categorical statement that strict and suitable action needs to be taken, and nobody needs to be protected. And we have to give enough protection to the children who have accused the Seer. So the senior leaders, they have made a statement in different context. That was before this recording of statement 164 and 161, which is which is in front of the magistrate himself. So the magistrate and the judiciary are not controlled by the state government. They are independent to function. If they feel it is necessary to arrest the Seer, we will arrest him immediately.